Hey folks, it's happened to all of us. You just got an angry email at work. Your heart's racing, your fingers are ready to fire back. But wait, don't do it. Let's talk about the right way to handle this. First things first, step away. When we respond in the heat of the moment, we're more likely to escalate the situation rather than fix it. Take a few deep breaths, go for a quick walk, grab a coffee. Just give yourself a few minutes to cool down. All right, now we're calm. Read the email again, this time with a calm and professional mindset. Is the sender frustrated about a misunderstanding, a delay, a mistake? Understanding their frustration helps you respond better. Now, it's time to draft your reply. But here's the trick. Don't hit send yet. Keep your response professional, factual, and neutral. Avoid sarcasm or defensive language. For example, instead of saying, "It's not my fault," you should have checked earlier, try, "I understand your concern. Here's what happened and how we can fix it." Still unsure if your email sounds professional? Ask a trusted coworker for a quick review. A second pair of eyes can help remove unintended emotions from your response. Now that you have a clear head and a well-crafted response, you can send that email confidently, knowing you've handled the situation professionally and effectively. So next time you get an angry email, don't let emotions take over. Step away, read it again, draft a professional response, and if needed, get a second opinion. Keep it cool, keep it professional. Hit that like button if you've ever dealt with a frustrating email, and subscribe for more.